Hello friends! So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this cloak. You're going to start by measuring the width around your upper body and your total desired length. You'll also need your desired neckline. You can get this just from measuring a hoodie or something similar. I laid the hood of that same sweatshirt onto some paper and traced out its shape. I added a few inches to the top, but the shape of it is really up to you. Add 2 inches to the opening and half an inch to the back, then cut out the pattern. Next, you're going to cut out a rectangle that is 4 inches wider than your desired width and 2 inches longer than your desired length from the outside fabric. You're also going to cut out a rectangle that is the desired size from the lining fabric. Cut out 2 pieces from the main fabric, then fold under that extra 2 inches and cut out 2 pieces from the lining fabric. Lay the liner on the main fabric and line up the 2 top centers. Fold the main fabric over, then over again and pin it onto the liner, so that the main piece sandwiches the lining. Then top stitch all the way around. Then, place the 2 hood pieces wrong sides together and sew them in place the same way as that main rectangle. Next, you'll need to gather the main rectangle piece of the cloak along the top edge down to your desired neckline. You can do this by machine, but because mine was so thick, I did it by hand instead. line up the hood with the neckline, and sew them together. You can use bias tape to cover up the seam, but honestly, I just didn't feel like it. Lastly, you want to add some kind of closure. For this cloak, I got this hook and eye closure, but you can use whatever you like. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, maybe consider leaving a like or subscribe for more, and I'll be back soon. Thanks for watching.